Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. I'm out here by myself. Mama and Gabe both had to work, so gonna fly the E-FLITE VIPER 70mm by myself. Just me and the hat cam. Got a KM model afterburner inside there, which doesn't seem to be on. Maybe I don't have it plugged in. Oh, there it's on. That's right. I have it tuned to come on at 25% or something like that. All right, get it turned around. All right.
Manual mode, trim it out. AS3X mode.
All right, got my gauge turned down a little bit. Let's take it up, 3.5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Running an HCL 3400 SMC pack. Wind is coming from that way, so.
The gear is tucked away.
We have clouds, but there's like, I don't know if it's a fire or something going on off to the east. Hopefully you can see that. It's not a very big jet.
Time remaining 3 minutes. The gear is down. Landing flaps. The flaps are up. The gear is tucked away.
I do love flying Vipers.
Landing flaps. The flaps are up. The gear. Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right.
Landing flaps. The flaps are up.
Trying to find the right angle to land this guy with this cross breeze.
Landing flaps. The flaps are up.
Almost lost it there.
Braking.
There we go.
Cruise mode.
All right, we got 41 seconds. We can get one more. Oh yeah, landing straight down the runway like you're supposed to. Turned out to be better. I lost a wheel. I lost a wheel.
30 seconds.
Look at that. Now I got to figure out where it's at.
The jets are cool. Safe to pick
Well,
up.
hold on. We'll look for a wheel and I'll continue this on in just a little bit. All right, well, I found the wheel. It was just laying out there on the runway and I just popped it right back on. I'm forgetting now which one it was. It just slid right back on. So, well, let me check the battery and hold on just a second. All right, we had 30 seconds left on a 3.5 minute timer. And got 48% left with 38, 38, 38, 38, 38, 38, 38, 48% left. And that is on a 3400 HCL pack. It's a SMC pack. It's because you can see it's got a, what's it got? Forget what, ADC, I think, discharge. You got an ADC discharge there. And SMC. They're good packs. You charge them just at regular LiPo rate. So let's go over our rates real quick. All right. As far as my flying rates, I flew in my high rates. 100% on aileron. Elevator was 100%, 40% expo. Uh-oh. And rudder is also 100% with 40% expo. Okay, now to graphically show you what that looks like, well, on the ailerons, that's what that looks like. Elevator, that's what that looks like. And the rudder, that's what that looks like. Now my flap systems, I noticed you start wanting to rise on me. And so you can see 100% zero mix, 50% negative 6% up elevator, and then 0 for landing, 0% with 11% up elevator. So
takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
And that is by the book. But you know, the thing about it is, if you're starting to rise with your elevator coming down like that, or your flaps coming down, you're probably going too fast anyways. So that's just the point of that anyways. So, all right, well, that's the settings, and we'll get into the flight here in just a little bit. All right, God bless y'all. Love y'all. Love my family. I love my viewers, because you just, you know, such nice comments and stuff, y'all. I really appreciate it. All right, we'll check you next time and get into the flight here in a little while, but that'll be a whole different video. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.